State Archaeology Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur is observing the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at the Samadhi of the Maharaj located in Langthawal, Kanchipur today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar, along with Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam are attending the event. The historic event of 7 years devastation will be observed today at Singhatwar of Sibsagar, Assam. Preparations are all set at the venue for the observance. To be mentioned, the day also marked the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Veterans Conclave was conducted by a unit of the Red Horns Division at Patharghat in Assam's Kokrajhar yesterday. As per media reports, the conclave provided the veterans of Indian Army with a platform for resolving various post-retirement issues. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal took part in the inauguration ceremony of Volunteers Camp for the forthcoming 3rd Khelo India Youth Games at Sarusojai Sports Complex in Guwahati. Sonowal urged volunteers to perform their duties with utmost dedication and sincerity for smooth organization of the Games. Regional parties from across Tripura as well as the Congress Party observed Black Day, recalling the Madhavari firing that occurred on January 8 in 2019. On this day last year, police fired indiscriminately on the protesters who were agitating against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill that has now become an act.